विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही मागील व्हिडिओजमध्ये करोलरीज ऑफ इन्स्क्राइब अँगल थेरम, सायक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल थेरम, करोलरी ऑफ सायक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल थेरम, कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ सायक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल थेरम शिकलात. आज आपण पेज नंबर 71 आणि 72 वरील प्रॉपर्टीज ऍक्टिव्हिटी बेस मध्ये शिकणार आहोत. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी बघा. Prove that if two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of a circle, then the measure of the angle between them is half the sum of measures of arcs intercepted by the angle and its opposite angle. According to given statement, I draw the circle in which chord AB and chord CD are intersect at point E in the interior of the circle. This is given. Now, therefore, I write the given. A circle with center O, chord AB and chord CD intersect at point E inside the circle. What to prove here? The angle between these two chords, chord AB, chord CD intersect at point E. Hence, I take angle CEB, angle between the chord, angle CEB and angle AED. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, I write here to prove angle CEB, angle between them, angle CEB, this is equal to half in bracket measure of arc AD plus measure of arc CB. What to prove here? Is half the sum of measures of arcs intercepted by the angle and its opposite angle. Angle CEB, its intercepted arc is arc BC, and angle AED, its intercepted arc is AD. Hence, I write here angle CEB is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AD plus measure of arc CB. Now, construction. Draw segment BD. I draw here segment BD. Proved by activity base. Angle ABD. This angle ABD. Angle ABD is an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is arc AD. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc AD by inscribed angle theorem. ABD is equal to angle ABD is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AD, equation first. Similarly, angle CDB, this angle CDB is an inscribed angle. Its intercepted arc is BC. Therefore, angle CDB is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc BC. Equation 2. The reason is inscribed angle theorem. Now, in figure, angle CEB, this angle CEB is an exterior angle of this triangle. Triangle EBD. Triangle EBD. Angle CEB is an exterior angle of triangle EBD. And angle EDB, this angle, and angle EBD are the remote interior angles. These are the remote interior angles. And you know the remote interior angle theorem. Measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Hence, I write here angle CEB is an exterior angle of triangle EDB. Therefore, angle CEB is equal to angle EBD, this angle, plus angle EDB. EDB by remote interior angle theorem. Therefore, angle CEB as it is, this is equal to, instead of angle EBD, this angle EBD, I write angle ABD, different name, AB betweenness. Hence, I write here angle ABD plus angle EDB. I write here angle CDB. instead of EDB, I write angle CDB. DEC betweenness. Angle CDB. Here the reason. Therefore, this angle CEB is equal to angle ABD, measure of angle ABD in equation first. This angle ABD is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc AD plus CDB, this 1/2 into measure of arc BC from 1 and 2. Therefore, angle CEB is equal to 1/2 here common factor, hence I write here 1/2 into in bracket measure of arc AD plus measure of arc BC. Hence this property is proved. Angle CEB is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc AD plus measure of arc BC. Now the next property is prove that if two lines containing chords of a circle intersect each other outside the circle, then the measure of angle between them is half the difference in measures of the arcs intercepted by the angle. From this given statement, I draw the circle in which chord AB, chord CD intersect at point E in the exterior or outside the circle. Hence, I write the given chords AB and CD intersect at E in the exterior of the circle. To prove the angle between the chords, chord AB, chord CD intersect at point E, hence AEC is the angle between these two chords. Therefore, angle AEC, measure of this angle AEC is equal to 1/2 into difference between the arcs intercepted by the angle. This angle, its intercepted arcs arc BD and arc AC. Arc BD is smaller than arc AC. Hence, measure of arc AC minus measure of arc BD, difference between them. This to prove here. Construction, I draw the segment AD. Proof by activity base. First, angle ADC. This angle ADC. Angle ADC is an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is AC. Therefore, by inscribed angle theorem, angle ADC is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc AC, equation 2. Similarly, angle DAB is equal to 1/2 into angle DAB. Its intercepted arc is BD. 1/2 into measure of arc BD, equation 2 by inscribed angle theorem. Now, in figure, angle ADC, this angle ADC is an exterior angle of triangle ADE. ADE triangle, its exterior angle is ADC, and you know the measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angle. Here angle A and angle E are the remote interior angles of this triangle, and ADC is an exterior angle. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to angle AED plus angle DAE by remote interior angle theorem. Now, angle ADC as it is, this is equal to angle AED. Angle AED, I write angle AEC. Angle AED, I write angle AEC, different name of the angle, plus angle DAE, I write angle DAB, different name, or AB betweenness. Angle DAB Therefore, angle ADC from equation first, angle ADC, I substitute the value of this angle ADC here. 1/2 into measure of arc AC. This is equal to angle AAC as it is plus angle DAB from equation 2, 1/2 into measure of arc BD. Total region from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, I find the value of this angle AEC, measure of angle AEC. This is equal to, transfer this 1/2 into measure of arc BD at this side. Therefore, first I write this 1/2 into measure of arc AC minus 1/2 into measure of arc BD. Here angle AEC is equal to 1/2. Here 1/2, 1/2 common factor. Hence what remain? Measure of arc AC minus measure of arc BD, difference between the arcs. Hence this property is proved.